Hi there, Shazrin here, and this is ShazrinFinance News. Now, this week, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, what do they have in common? Interest in Bitcoin? Now, I'm just gonna read the news for you, so you don't have to, because financial news are boring. So, shall we begin? First news. Now, there was a lot of speculation, a lot of news about quarterly earnings. The second quarter earnings are up. People now know the earnings of Google, Alphabet, the main company is Alphabet, Amazon, Apple, Tesla, and all the other big companies. They're all releasing their earnings right now, so we can get to know the news. And then there's also the speculation about them being involved with Bitcoin. Wow, causing a surge in prices in the cryptocurrency market in the recent week or two. So we're just gonna see the news and help understand what's going on. Are they really buying Bitcoin? And how good is their business right now? So let's begin. First, Apple. Here we start with an article from Nasdaq.com, which says, here's why Apple may embrace cryptocurrency. This is May 27, 2021. Basically starts off with a recent job posting indicates Apple is serious about cryptocurrency. The role at Apple is called Business Development Manager, Alternative Payments. And the biggest clue from the posting is that Apple is looking for someone with 5 years experience working in or with alternative payment providers such as digital wallets, BNPL, fast payments, cryptocurrency, and etc. So that was the biggest clue, that Apple wanted to get involved with cryptocurrency because of this job posting. And there was also the report here that Apple has been watching cryptocurrency for years. Jennifer Bailey, Vice President of Apple Pay, said 2 years ago that Apple was watching cryptocurrency. And Apple CEO Tim Cook is obsessed with making physical cash obsolete. He says, "What I believe, I'm hoping that I'm still going to be alive to see the elimination of money," said at a meeting for Apple shareholders. So, what are the implications for cryptocurrency if Apple enters the space? Basically, there's first, instant credibility, because Apple is a big brand. So if Apple buys crypto, Bitcoin for example, then everyone else who uses Apple will also use Bitcoin. So consumers may feel more comfortable holding Bitcoin and using it for daily transactions. Then there's also the second part, the network effect, because Apple has a lot of people in their network. They have a lot of users. Apple Pay has 43.9 million users, and over 70% of the retailers offer Apple Pay in their stores. So because of this, even 70% of 43.9 million is a huge number. So it means that if Apple were to introduce Bitcoin to Apple Pay, a lot of people would use Bitcoin, which would increase the value. Then there's also the news by The Independent. Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak says Bitcoin is a mathematical miracle and better than gold, which is true. This came out in 12 July 2021. So Apple founder Steve Wozniak has said that Bitcoin is the digital equivalent of gold and the product of a mathematical miracle. Mr. Wozniak said, "Gold is limited and you have to look for it. Bitcoin is the most amazing mathematical miracle. I do not invest in Bitcoin, but I believe in it for the future." That's good. So he's not biased because he doesn't invest in it, but he's sharing his sincere opinion that he believes in the future of Bitcoin. So that's good. Then there's also the article by Markets Insider. Apple can surge another 25% by adding cryptocurrency services to its wallet app, RBC says. This was shared in February 8th of 2021. Apple can unlock a multi-billion-dollar business by opening its wallet app to crypto trading, RBC said. Apple shares can jump higher if the tech giant steps into the cryptocurrency market, RBC Capital Markets said. While headlines about Apple future offerings have recently focused on an electric car, RBC sees more near-term opportunity in the company's wallet app. So yes, Apple is currently developing an electric car of its own, an Apple car maybe, that's what they'll call an iCar. iCarly, the show I used to watch. I'm old, and they're saying sure people are focusing on the car. This news is from February. Just to remind you, this is quite old, but it's still somewhat relevant to the story I'm telling you right now. RBC Capital Markets said that they have a better near-term opportunity with crypto. Wallet already contributes to Apple's increasingly robust services business, but an expansion into the crypto sector could make it an even bigger boon. Apple has an install base of about 1.5 billion people, signaling that it could make up to $40 billion a year from a wallet-based crypto exchange, according to RBC. Apple could supercharge its move into the crypto industry by buying $1 billion of Bitcoin for itself. Dallin said, adding that it could attract more users to its wallet-based exchange and likely lift Bitcoin's price. Those are all the good news saying that Apple most likely would buy Bitcoin. Now we go to the news about the recent rumor of Apple buying Bitcoin. This is from CoinMarketCap. Has Apple really bought $2.5 billion worth of Bitcoin? So here's what they're saying. This news is published on July 13th, 2021. So it says, take the rumors you're seeing on crypto Twitter with a massive pinch of salt. So rumors are swirling once again that Apple has made a substantial investment in Bitcoin. We've seen excitable tweets in recent days claiming that the tech giant has purchased up to $2.5 billion of the cryptocurrency. There are two problems with this. First, we haven't had any official confirmation from Apple. Second, such speculation has done the rounds on crypto Twitter multiple times in recent months, and a purchase has never materialized. So that's what you're getting. It's basically just a rumor because there's no official statement about it, and it's been done a lot of times. The rumor, the gossip has been done a lot of times, and never have they been proven true. Despite all this, Apple will be continuing to keep a laser-like focus on the crypto world, especially considering that PayPal now allows its users to buy, sell, and hold digital assets. So if PayPal allows it, most likely Apple Pay will allow it soon. But it's still just speculation, not financial advice. That's for Apple. Now, moving on. Tesla! So what's going on with Tesla, Elon Musk, and what is he thinking of doing with Bitcoin? Elon Musk walks back his fossil fuel worries, says Tesla will likely start accepting Bitcoin again. How surprising. Tesla and Spacex CEO Elon Musk said Tesla will likely start accepting Bitcoin for vehicle purchases again. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said the company will likely start accepting Bitcoin for vehicle purchases again. It looks like Bitcoin is shifting a lot more towards renewables and a bunch of the heavy-duty coal plants that were being used. Yeah, I'm trying to imitate his stutter. I'm not that good. Have been shut down, especially in China. Said Musk on Wednesday at the B-Word conference. I want to do a little more due diligence to confirm that the percentage of renewable energy usage is most likely at or above 50%, and that there is a trend towards increasing that number. If so, Tesla will most likely resume accepting Bitcoin. Okay, that was my impression. It wasn't good, but hey, I tried. So basically what he's saying is they accepted Bitcoin before, they stopped accepting it because of fossil fuel worries, environmental problems and such, as if they haven't done their research before that. And now they're starting to accept Bitcoin again because it's more environmentally friendly now. So, second news. So this one was from July 21st and this is on July 26th. Tesla records $23 million in Bitcoin related impairments after cryptocurrency's second quarter plunge. Tesla reported Bitcoin related impairments of $23 million in the second quarter as crypto prices plunged. At the end of March, the automaker said its $1.5 billion investment was worth $2.48 billion based on the surge in Bitcoin in the first quarter. Tesla said Monday that a $23 million Bitcoin-related impairment caused some drag on its quarterly operating income. Tesla reported a net gain of $101 million from sales of Bitcoin during the first quarter, helping to boost its net profits to a record high. Tesla doesn't account for Bitcoin as a mark-to-market asset, meaning it only recognizes as an earnings benefit if it sells to lock in the gains. Basically what they're saying is, how they're seeing Bitcoin is, they only see it as a profit or loss if they sell it. As long as they're holding it, those profits and losses are not realized, so they won't say it's a profit or loss unless they sell it. That's what mark to market means. Recap. So basically the news of Tesla is basically saying that they will soon accept Bitcoin again. And because of this news, of course, Bitcoin is going up again because of some dude saying that he wants to buy Bitcoin again after he said he didn't want to buy Bitcoin. Moving on. Amazon. So, an article by The Independent says Amazon responds to Bitcoin rumor that sent crypto markets surging. Over the weekend, speculation began that the company was looking to move into supporting Bitcoin, potentially for payments. Now, Amazon has said that while it does have an interest in cryptocurrency, those specific rumors are not true. And this is an article from CoinDesk. Amazon, no! We have no plans to accept Bitcoin payment. The speculation that has ensued around our specific plans for cryptocurrencies is not true, a spokesperson said. So Amazon has denied a British newspaper's report that it is planning to accept Bitcoin payments by the end of the year. Notwithstanding our interest in the space, the speculation that has ensued around our specific plans for cryptocurrencies is not true. We remain focused on exploring what this could look like for customers shopping on Amazon. Last week, the company said it was seeking to hire a digital currency and blockchain product lead. So basically, the rumors about Amazon buying and selling crypto, accepting Bitcoin as payment, is not true. But it says here they are denying the payment of by the end of the year. They are denying that they are accepting Bitcoin by the end of the year, which means they could accept it the year after that, probably. Because after all, they do have a job listing that says they are seeking to hire a digital currency and blockchain product lead. Now, if you're hiring someone for that role, but you're not using crypto, then what's the point? A blockchain product lead. Of course, this person is going to be involved in crypto somehow. But based on what they're saying, it shows that they're not gonna be accepting Bitcoin payments until the end of the year. So that's it. Conclusion: 3 companies: Apple, Tesla, and Amazon. Apple denies. People are really hopeful that Apple is buying Bitcoin and will accept Bitcoin as payment, but until now, there's still no proof, no official statement from Apple, so it's just speculation. Tesla, there is proof, there is an official statement. Elon Musk himself said that he will soon accept Bitcoin again for SpaceX and Tesla. For Amazon, it's just rumor. They denied it. They have given an unofficial statement saying that no, they are not accepting Bitcoin by the end of the year. But they are looking for someone to become a blockchain product lead, which shows that they have an interest in crypto, but not by the end of the year. And that's it for the news, and that's my take. Thanks for your time. Oh yeah, just to remind you that I have made a lot of videos before. My previous video was about debt. Now, if you have any debts or if you're thinking about applying for loans or such, maybe or even if you're still someone under 18 who has never gotten even a credit card, then I recommend you watch that video, because it will help you. Trust me. Don't be like me. I made a mistake in that video. I made a mistake in life, and I shared it in that video, so you don't have to make that same mistake too.